Hi, I'm Ray Gorman. I'm with RightStuff Detailing. We're here at SEMA 2018. Today I want to tell you about our PreBent Tubing program. RightStuff Detailing in Columbus, Ohio actually manufactures pre-bent brake lines, cooling system lines, automatic transition lines for classics, restored vehicles. We are big in the restoration industry. One of our strongest features is our No Brainer kits, which Summit Racing handles. These are complete front to rear brake line kits that are very application specific. They're very big into the muscle era market. When a customer puts a front disc brake or a rear disc brake conversion on his vehicle, he wants to supply the rest of the vehicle with brand new lines. They're available in original equipment steel or stainless. The other lines that we offer are for restored vehicles dating back to the 30s, right up to the new truck market. All of these products are available at Summit Racing.